Yep, this is unreal. I don't think he's gonna make it.
Got a massive humpback.
That's my biggest brookie ever. Look at this double up. This is just legendary right here. Let's go! Good morning, welcome back. I am with Jake and maybe my friend Joe might be coming. He's not answering my text right now, but basically they opened up all trout waters to Rhode Islanders. Ew, is that jelly?
Oh no.
Oh my god, that's my that's totally peanut butter and jelly.
Sick.
They changed, there's some regulations pretty much on the rules for trout fishing right now. I'll pop it up on the screen, but basically it's Jake and I's day to fish because we have because of our last names, we're allowed to fish on odd days. So it's a little weird, but that's what they're doing to kind of regulate the trout fishing water so there's not so many people because of everything that's going on. So we're gonna hit the water and attempt to catch some fish. I woke up around 5, so I'm ready to go and hopefully we get on some fish.
Hopefully we get on some fish.
I wasn't recording, but we're hooked up. Oh my god, this one's crazy. Brookie! Yeah, you can lift him, it's 6 pounds. Yes, sir!
That's a really nice looking one too.
Yeah.
Oh, you had on the ice jig?
Yeah. Frostbite. Ice jig. Let's go! Sweet.
Nice
Thank
one.
you. Alright.
Nice fatty.
I guess I'm gonna let him go. I don't really feel like cooking my biggest brookie ever. Ooh, ooh. He's just chilling right there. There we go. Oh, sweet. Well, that was fun. Yeah, that took a really long time to get a bite. My GoPro wasn't recording because it's just been so long. There we go. Second I dropped it. Yep. Jeez. It's gonna be okay. Come here. Does this one have color? I don't know. Why are they so pale in here? It's weird. Ah! Oh wow. That one looks a little bit bigger, huh? That one's definitely bigger. Yes, sir. Jake, we're actually trout fishing. Oh my god.
That one's pretty. That one's got a bunch of purple in it.
Oh wow. Beautiful male brook trout right here. Super pretty. Definitely bigger than the last one, so this one might be my new PB. So pretty sweet looking fish right here. I'm gonna grab a couple pictures really quick and then put them back. Come on, you got this. I don't think he's gonna make it. So I think I might bring him home and cook him if he's not gonna make it. Well, currently he's not doing too well. But that kind of happens. These trout are so fragile. Which is okay because I wanted to bring one home and keep. So if this one isn't going to make it, then it kind of makes it a little bit easier. Alright, buddy. Oh. What a savage. There he goes. He's doing just fine now. He was belly up for a little while, but...
Dude.
That's totally your PB.
Holy crap, it's got a huge like humpback. Alright, you need to take a picture with this one.
Got one.
Oh no.
On the spinner.
Look at this thing, it's got a massive humpback.
On the spinner! Yes! Let's go! Yeah, dip him in the water. I'll take a picture for you with him once I get this fish in. Oh man, these brookies fight like crazy.
So big.
Oh yes, let's go!
Dude, can you like set your camera up and get a double pick?
Yeah. Here, hold my rod maybe. Okay, doubles picks, we're gonna get it. Jake's got bullfish. Alright. Let me finish reeling in this fish. I got the camera set up. I just have to press the timer, 3-second timer. Dude, look at this double up. This is just legendary right here.
So crazy.
Mia baby. This is definitely my biggest brookie right here. This thing's massive, Jake. Oh my god. Come here now. Yep. This is unreal. That's my biggest brookie ever. Holy crap. This fish is beautiful. PB brook trout. That's my PB right there. That's my PB, baby. Oh my god.
So pretty.
Oh. Took off my extra layer of pants. I still have 2 more layers of pants on, and then 3 layers up here. But I'm gonna take one off. I'm gonna take this sweatshirt off, and then I'm gonna have 2 shirts on and 2 pants on. And that's how you stay warm in New England.
Dude, that one caught. That had to be like. One.
I'll give it a
Really far.
I'll give it a dangle. What do you have, braid on it? Or
Yeah.
floral leader?
Yep. Trusty. It's an old rod.
You can just hear the you can just hear the oh my god, you can hear the grinding of it. First cast with this. Unreal.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Yeah, I might use it a little bit longer, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Jake's kind of done fishing for the day, so he's letting me use his rooster tail that's killing it. Jeez. Let's go! It's not a bad one. It's about a 2-pounder. Beautiful though. Yeah, I'll keep this one.
Cook it?
Yeah, because this one isn't too big, so I'm not going to feel like
Yeah.
horrible.
There you go. That's a pretty fish though.
Yeah, this one, that's a beaut.
Yeah.
Definitely a beaut right there. Well, we'll be eating this one. Let's go!
Nice.
No release on this one, sorry. Woo! All right, well, we are done for today. How was today, Jake?
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was so much better than how I expected it to turn out. I mean, I had like faith, but not faith that we would catch that many fish and that sizable. I mean, I caught the biggest brook trout of my life, same with Jake. It was just a blast, and my friend just ended up meeting up with us, but he got here late and we are absolutely tired because I woke up at 5. Jake woke up a little late.
A little bit.
A little late, but it's okay because we still got here at a decent time and gotten some good fish. So
make sure to subscribe to Trout.
Make sure to subscribe to Jake. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like the video, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode of Fishing with Becca.